Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to my new video. So in this video I'm going to show you another problem, which is palindrome array. So first of all you have to read the question, and then you have to go to the example. In the example you can see that first they inputted a number which is 5, and they inputted to 1 3 2 3 1. So you already know the it's called palindrome. So then you can see, first of all you can see the first number and the last number of the year is same, and then you can see the last second last and second number and the second last number is again same. So we complete this here by two variable. First of all, I and j. You can see I is starting from 0 and increase one by one, and then you can see j, the value of j is starting from n minus 1. It means 4. So you can see that first I is increased by one, and then 0 is I increase one by one, and then it go to index of 0. So you can see that in the index of 0 and 4, both value is same, and then j is decreased by 1 and is go to the index of 3. So then you can see the value of index 3 and 1 is same, and then I is go to 2 index, and j is also go 2 index, and the value is, you can see, 2. So if we write output no for I is equal to not 0, and we write I yes for if I greater than j. So then we go to the VS code, and then we write int n is equal to sc dot next int n is equal to sc dot next int. Then we write int array is equal to sc dot next array is equal to new int bracket, and we create a new for loop which is for int I, and the value of I is start from 0. I is greater than n, and I increase by 1 by 1. So for that we write I plus plus, and then we input the array, which for this we write array of I is equal to sc dot next int. Then we take our two variable which is I and j. So the starting point of I is 0, and then we write the starting point of j is equal to n minus 1, and then here the logic or condition is I greater than is equal to, I less than is equal to j, and the we write I plus plus and j minus minus, because I increase by 1 and 1 by 1, and then j is decrease 1 by 1. So I can see I is start from 0, so and increase 1 by 1. For that we write I plus plus, and j start from 4, but it decreases and is go to index 2. So for that reason we write j minus minus. Then we write those conditions. First condition is if array of I is equal not array of j, we the output should be no. So we write if array of I is equal not array of j, no. We write this statement for output, which is system.out.println, and in the bracket we write no. And then we have another thing to do, which is if I is greater than j, then we have the output should be yes. So we write yes in bracket, and we write break after the state after no, because if the output is no, then it should be break, else the loop is not break, not stop. So for that we add break, then we copy the and you can see paste here, and you can see the result. Those results is same about our example. So then we copy the code and go to the problem, and then go submit code and paste the code here and submit. Click to submit button, and then you can see it's accepted. So thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.